Here's Mia, Mama Mia. She is such a sweetheart. We don't understand how she could be here this long because she is just an absolute love. Yes, she has an exuberant personality. She gets so darn excited, but you can see she's also really calm. And actually, when she's an only dog, she's pretty laid back, wouldn't you say? She's pretty laid back.
Yeah, when it's just me and her, she likes to watch baseball and football and lounge on the couch and chew things.
Yeah, and you two things I know. But when she sees other dogs, she gets really excited, don't you? Really excited, and that's hard to contain. And what else could I say about you?
She can jump.
She can jump. She's a sweetheart. She is super treat motivated, like ridiculously treat motivated. I'm gonna try to catch that on film.
Okay, there we go. That's a good way to start the video.
Ready for dinner? Such a good girl. Such a good girl. There you go.
No, we're not starving her.
Also, she just really wants to please. She wants to be with you all the time.
She'd like to eat a cat.
She would like to eat a cat, or at least chase it for a long time. She just needs a best buddy, an absolute best buddy. She would like to be your best friend. She would like to follow you everywhere. She'd like to hang out with you on the couch or in your office. She would like to walk with you for hours. She could probably run with you. I've run with her. She does great running. What a good girl. Mia. Mia. You sweet thing. Oh, you already know. What a good girl. You having a nice walk? What a good puppy. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Mia down. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Mia, show me your belly. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Okay, come on, Mia. Come here, go to place. Good girl. Good puppy. Very nice. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. Good girl. Good job. You ready? Stay. Stay. Mia, come. Good girl. Good puppy. And she works for Cheerios.
Oh wait, what's that treat? Is that bacon?
Cheerios. She's really well crate trained. She sleeps all night in her crate, or if like we have to go somewhere, or if we're working with the other dogs, I can toss a treat in her crate and she'll bolt into her crate and doesn't complain about that. She's never ever had an accident in the house. Has she ever had an accident? I don't know. She's never had an accident in the house. She got her nails done recently and she was really good, but she had never had her nails done in her life until she came into foster care. So we're still working at getting them shorter. I know. Anyway, she's a love. She deserves to have a home of her own. And she only weighs about 40, maybe 45 pounds. She's pretty light. She's pretty little.
She's strong.
She's strong. That's why I have a thunder leash on. I'm showing this too. This is a thunder leash, and what it does is gives me a little bit more. If she decides to pull, like she sees a squirrel or a deer or another dog, I can. It's easier for me to control her with this leash. But she's fine on the other leash. It's just this is because I'm a wimp. Right? It's my pretty girl. That's Mama Mia.